3 days virtual self-paced hands-on training of Python and Java. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is my blogspot account where you get always some course updates and also assessments answers of the courses. And here today I am with free Python and Java virtual training from Progate. Firstly, take a look about Progate. Progate is a fun interactive learning platform from Japan used by over 1.6 million learners across the world. This platform brings creativity to everyone everywhere by providing the best learning environment in which beginners can learn programming while having fun. So this is the best which you get on Progate. And about this virtual training, there are 3-day training for Python and Java for free during 21st to 23rd August 2020. And also if you complete this in these 3 days, you earn a completion certificate free from Progate. And now here the process to apply. There are 2 links here. Firstly, you need to go through step 1, register on this platform Progate, and after that follow the step 2, just tap on apply here and then register for this virtual training to get free access of Python and Java during 21st to 23rd August. And yes, once you register, you will receive an email with more details. So what you are thinking about, pause this full video and get to know how to register for this and earn certificate of virtual training for Python and Java. When you go through the first link, you find this Progate Learn to Code. Here firstly, if you are new on this platform of Progate, then you need to sign up, and if you have an account, then you need to log in. This is an important step. If you are already registered on this platform, then you can skip this process. Here you need your name, email and your self created password, and just tap on submit. And after submitting this form, you get one email, a confirmation email with the verification link. You can see on your screen. Here I get my confirmation email, and there firstly welcome to Progate. Here there is no verification link. I'm going back because I got 2 emails from Progate. You can see there is a second email, and here you can see there is a verification link, so just tap on that. But firstly it is important to read this email, because if you doesn't get any email, then you go through the help from the Progate. And here I registered and got this interface. After tapping on the verification link, I enrolled in the Progate. Now I am going through the next step. Just here you can see the next step. Just tapping on apply here, I got this interface. And here what you need to do, if you are registered, I repeat, if you complete the step 1, then you need to tap on join the team, proceed. Here you can see on your screen, when you tap on that, here it's need your first name because it appears on your certificate. Firstly your name, first name and then last name. If you want to go back and edit previous details, just go below and tap on upward button and you got your previous slide. And here it needs only your last name. And after that, if you are joined the team, means if you are registered on Progate, then just tap on yes if you registered, and if you tap on no, then it's give a link. When you tap on that, there it's need to register, and if you tap on yes, then it's need your email address, and after that your school, college or a company, the name you entered of your college is appear on your certificate, so doesn't do any mistake when you are registering. And after that, when you complete this, there is some conditions you can see on the screen. This is the second condition. During this weekend you need to complete it. And here this is the last. You cannot access in the mobile app, but you can access on your smartphone also. How you can access, I am going to show you in this video. Just tap on I understand the terms and conditions. You completed all the lesson of the training, you can instantly download your certificate. Now which course you want to start, I'm going to start the Java course. You can see start learning Java. When I tap on it, it started. You can see one more email comes because of this virtual training. You can see there is a two links. For a Python there is a specific link, and for the Java another. So you can start any of this course. You can also access both the course by going through it. One more surprising thing that you can start your learning from today. Just tap on the link and start your course. Not need to wait for 21st of August. When I tap on it, you can see firstly it is written that it is only works on PC, or download our app to continue using ProGit on your smartphone. But doesn't be worry about this. We can access this on smartphone without downloading this app or ProGit. How to do this? I am going to show you. Just tap on the sidebar and you can see there is an option of desktop site. When you tap on it, you get this tab, means your course is started now. You can access all the courses, all the materials of this without going through your PC or downloading this app. You can see I am accessing the course material. Firstly, there are some codes and other things. It is mentioned on the screen. Let's run Java, and here you can start. You can just see what the interface is. You can also code here. You get your result. There is an expected result. Means very awesome platform for learning. So develop your skills of programming on this platform.